Hi, welcome to SolidCAM. In this video, we will look at port machining in SolidCAM simultaneous 5-axis. Port machining is a special application that has been developed for machining tube kind of components like the one that is seen on the screen. So if I take a section or a slice of this part, this is how the section looks like, and port machining can be used to rough and finish geometries like these without the need to define any kind of tool axis or additional geometric components. All the user needs to do simply is to define the machining geometry, which is basically the faces. So in this case, if you look at the faces, this is how it looks like. So these are all the faces that have been selected. So I'm going to suspend this operation, or let's recalculate this operation. Yes. The tools that are supported for calculating these operations are ball nose and lollipop tools. And the best part in port roughing, it's an application-based machining strategy, which does not need any kind of additional definitions of geometries or supporting elements for maintaining the tool axis direction, etc. It can just generate the tool path by just defining the tool, this geometry, the step down and step over. So what you see here is a very nice tool path where it tries to machine as much as possible from one side, and when this is exhausted or the tool cannot enter anymore, it retracts itself and goes and machines from the other side. The user of course has a control whether he would like to machine from both sides or only one side. Even if it's one side, he can say that you can machine either from the top or from the side. In the same technology, finishing can also be done using the spiral method. So you can see that it uses the same concept of roughing, where it starts from one end, it goes as much as possible from one side, and after one side is exhausted, that means it cannot go any further, it retracts and comes again and machines from the other side to complete this tube. So port machining is a very useful function. It's an application-based function. It's almost automatic. It's used for machining tube kind of geometries, a engine port kind of geometries. Thank you very much for watching this video.